Today, I'm gonna show you an easy instant ramyun hack using one of my favorite Korean instant ramyuns, Shin Ramyun. And yes, by the way, not all Asian instant ramyuns taste the same. We're gonna add extra fermented kimchi, so the kimchi that's a little too sour and a little too tangy to eat as is, with a handful of soybean sprouts, 콩나물, and those two items will turn your instant ramyun broth into this glorious, delicious tasting broth. So good that you're gonna wanna put your face in it, pick it up and drink it. That's how delicious the broth is gonna be. 오늘의 레시피. 아주 시원하고 맛있는 콩나물 김치 라면 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. OMG. The broth is just glorious. That's all I'm gonna say. It's glorious. Oh. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is also available in the description box below. Today we'll be using Shin Ramyun Black. Unlike the regular Shin Ramyun, comes with 2 broth packets. Now there's also chicken and vegan Shin Ramyun that you could check out at your local Korean supermarket. And a half a cup of extra fermented kimchi called Shin Kimchi in Korean. And 2 tablespoons of extra fermented kimchi juice. Half a tablespoon of minced garlic, and about 50 grams of soybean sprouts, 콩나물. Soybean sprouts are completely different from mung bean sprouts. These are a bit more tastier in my opinion, but if you can't get these, you could substitute using shredded green cabbage instead. And we also need 1 scallion. Here we have 3 cups of water. Put your lid on it and bring it to boil. Once the water comes to boil, we're gonna add our kimchi juice, extra fermented kimchi, our 콩나물, and our garlic. Then I want you to just mix everything up. We're gonna add both of our soup packets, get everything out, our dehydrated vegetables, then mix this up. Oh, it's starting to smell delicious already. Look at that. Then quickly cover with the lid, and on medium-high heat, we're gonna boil this for 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later, oh yeah, that looks delicious. Then we're gonna take our noodle and just put it in here. So folks, do not break up the noodles. Just put it in there as is so it remains nice and long. And then there's always a little bit of residue in the back, so put everything in there. And then we're gonna raise our heat to high now. And we're gonna try to push the kimchi up to the top and cook the noodles for 1.5 minutes on high heat. Okay, so it's been 1.5 minutes and you just wanna go in and shake. So you don't wanna overcook your noodles. You want it so that it's still a little bit firm, not soggy ever, because once this is cooked, it's just gonna get bloated super fast. This is done, look at that. And at the very end, we're gonna add our scallions and just toss it like that. This doesn't even need cooking because it's gonna cook in the heat of the noodles and the broth. So we're gonna turn off our heat, and quickly you need to transfer this to a bowl right away before it gets soggy. And if you want to make it pretty, you could garnish with some peppers. I mean, who's gonna think that this is instant ramyun? Oh, like that, beautiful. So you gotta eat this when it's straight out of the pot. You gotta eat it when it's hot. But always, you must start with a spoonful of the broth, in my opinion, when it comes to Korean ramyun. OMG. The broth is just glorious. That's all I'm gonna say. It's glorious. Oh, that's an addictive broth that you will not be able to stop eating. And then you go in for that perfect bite with everything. Kimchi, noodles, and 콩나물 together. Oh yeah. This is something. No one's gonna think that it's instant ramyun. It's so satisfying and tasty. Bon appetit, everyone. It's such a great combination. The kimchi is exploding in my mouth. And then the 콩나물 adds this nutty, crunchy, watery taste together. Oh, I don't eat instant ramen a lot, but when I do, I enjoy it thoroughly. Look at this goodness, right? Goodness of delicious noodles. And then once you're done eating, inhaling all the noodles, and by the way, in Korean cuisine culture, it is absolutely okay to slurp your noodles. Just don't be obnoxious about it. And then you pick it up and you drink it, literally straight from the bowl. Oh my God, life is so good right now. Oh. If you are a fan of instant ramyun and looking for, hack and recipes to make it tastier, go to youtube.com/modernpepper, click on that playlist tab and select Korean ramyun recipes and hacks, and I will see you there. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I want to kindly ask you to click on that thumbs up icon and hit that notification bell and subscribe if you have not done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. 감사합니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here. I want to wish you a safe and fun holiday season with your friends and family, and I will see you in the new year.